Climate Safe is an innovative approach that brings together bioenergy production and food production. The idea is that we integrate carbon capture with renewable energy to power food systems sustainably. For this study, we looked at the Lapwing estate, who are one of our project partners, where the goal was to show how bioenergy systems can cut carbon emissions while still producing high-value food in controlled glasshouse environments.
4% of all emissions from UK agriculture are from the oxidation of carbon from peatland soils. Now, the issue we've got of trying to reduce that emission is those soils are used heavily for food production. So if we're going to reduce those emissions, which we can reduce those emissions by increasing the water table on those soils, we've got to find a new way to produce food that doesn't need the use of peatland soils.
Our food and energy systems are not resilient and need to be revolutionized to meet the food and energy requirements with no negative impacts on the environment and climate. This is a unique whole systems approach with land use change and bioenergy with carbon capture and storage, BECCS, embedded in its core.
So in Climate Safe, we've shown a whole system change and what we can do, and we've shown that instead of growing food on those peatland soils, we can re-wet those soils, grow short rotation coppice, pyrolyze it, use the energy from that pyrolysis system then to power glass houses. And we're stood here in a modern glass house, and we've shown that by re-wetting 200 hectares of peatland soils is enough to power 1 hectare of glass houses, and that's broadly produces a similar amount of food as that produced on those same lowland peat soils.
In short, Climate Safe demonstrates a new way of revitalizing damaged peatlands, cutting emissions and producing sustainable high-value food at the same time.